Hey y'all, my name's Kamiyah Queen. If you haven't already seen me, what's up? Subscribe, because you gonna like it over here. But I'm doing a tattoo in this video because I bought this Amazon kit, so why not use it? Excuse me. I've already given myself I think 3 or 4 tattoos already. So if you want to see them, they might be linked down below. Who knows? Otherwise you can just go through my channel and you'll find them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because like I said, I don't know if I really said it or not, but I'm on the road to 1K. So I'm like halfway there. So help me get the other half. I just need 500 more y'all to just click it. Just click it. So yeah, if you wanna see what I'm about to do, keep watching, but don't forget to hit that like button if you like videos like this one. Also, don't forget to comment down below what you want to see in a future video. But yeah, we just gonna get right into it. 1K. So let me know if y'all like this tattoo. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm on the road to 1K, as I already said before. But also, don't forget to hit that like button because I need to know if you like this video or not. Also, don't forget to comment down below what you want to see in a future video. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Deuces.